What are these white people doing in Pakistan? They've been here for thousands of years. The Kalash, a group of fewer than 5,000 people, are unlike any other population in South Asia. Unlike the Muslim majority, they preserve a polytheistic religion linked to the Aryans, originating in Europe, who invaded South Asia 4,000 years ago, and they still practice millennia-old traditions. But what really sets them apart? Everything about their DNA is extremely unique. 100% of them carry alleles for light skin, compared to just 30% in the rest of South Asia, matching European levels, and about 30% have blue-eye alleles, rivaling Germany. But what caused them to be so different? Genetically, they derive about 70% of their ancestry from those white Aryan invaders from Europe, over 3 times more than the Punjabi majority. Test your DNA.